Welcome back to Leadperfection 2.0. Now we'll explore some of the changes in the Prospect tab. Okay. First, we look at the search. It's set up the same as the quick search up here, where you can search by phone number, last name, prospect number, or whatever. One of the first things you'll notice is row count here. You can have it show just the first 10. You can have it show more than that. You can sort by last name, first name, city, prospect ID, and job number. Okay. But we're going to search by my favorite prospect number. Okay. Hit search, and it will start looking. If it finds it, it will pop right to it. And you're now into the Prospect tab. Looks quite a bit different, a lot more open, so you can read it better. Gives you your edit, which is this blue box with a pen in it, and gives you all of your fields. Okay. If you see it in a little plus sign, it'll give you secondary contacts right there. Okay. More information. You can add a mailing address, alternate emails, bunch more phone numbers, and of course see your standard appointment data down here. Okay, as we scroll up, cancel any changes, or we could have saved the changes. A lot easier to read things. One change that we did make is our mapping feature, where you can map this address with Google Maps. That was a special request that we had. Okay. And it will give you your map views. Okay. Not going to let that go. We're going to go back to prospects. Okay. You have the last function, which will take you back to your last prospect, which is this one right here. Search again. Again, you can expand it to check by more things. Okay. For example, city, Hanover, MD. See what we got for that. That should be a large one. Now, as you can see, there's 228 options in Hanover, Maryland. As I said, you can change your row count from 10, 25, 50, 100, 250. This allows it to load faster. Okay. You can also use the arrows to arrow over. You have your Add New Prospect. All right, where you can just start adding things in. All your standard drop downs and stuff are still there. Okay. Just makes it, again, a lot easier to read. Okay. Builders, we don't use that. You have your to-do list. Okay. If you have anything on your to-do list, for example, reminder to call a certain customer or whatever, it could show up here. Fast entry. Okay. This will come into play with our home show department, where you will start putting things in. Right. Hit submit. You cannot submit this form without severe errors. Zip code, which is something we always need. Source or whatever. So when you're putting in a bunch of leads real quick, just start filling the stuff in. If you hit submit, it will search. It'll tell you the problem that you have, but it'll also get a match where you can just go straight to that lead and continue inputting the data. It should make this a lot quicker to add in home show leads or even new leads. So that is prospect, fast entry. Okay. So, going back to the actual prospect tab and last, go back here. Now all the things that used to be across top are down the side. You have your overview, which is your property tab, most recent calls, to-do lists, any open callbacks, prior sales, so you can go right to those, click that, it'll open it up. Use your back arrow. Whoop, nope, don't use your back arrow. Hit last, it'll take you right back there. Okay, but this would be the quick way to see where you want to go. All of those map right across to here. So property, calls. Okay. We have our property tab. That hasn't changed. Our calls tab hasn't changed. Okay. Add new call right there. Callbacks. Nearby appointment. Okay. You can actually do options here. Market, radius, start dates. Okay. Confirmed only, same as you could do with the other one. Hit a refresh, and it'll tell you what's nearby. Gives you your drive time and your distance so that you can effectively make sets if you're scheduling appointments. Okay. Any sales that they have, just like the old one, you can quickly go to that job record. Any notes? Okay. Our email has changed a little bit. Okay. You can choose an email template rather than have to go sort through all those buttons. Letter template, texting templates, and again, it still keeps track of your email history and your texting history. Okay. And of course, it's not going to show you every single one because you want it to load faster, but you can use these arrows to go to the next screen. Okay. And then your Documents tab. Our Documents tab has changed. You can have your drag and drop as usual. But now you have little visualizations. So if you have a picture, it'll show you what that picture is. And if it's a type of document, it'll show you what type of document that is. You can also expand it to show the larger version, which then gives you your notes, your description, the dates, the date uploaded. Hit the edit button, and you can see it more. Okay. Click the document, and it opens. Okay. Click the document, and it'll open. So I think this will be a lot more user-friendly. And if you're looking for a particular picture, you don't have to keep opening and opening and opening and opening. Okay. So that's a quick overview of the Prospect tab and our actual prospects. Okay. Scroll down, add a new lead, editing the box. I think you'll love it. Thanks, and have a great day.